For these two houses that are side by side, it is very clear to the eye to notice the contrast between the two colors of the houses. The lighting was very dim due to the weather, so that caused the color of the houses to appear washed out. The two houses mimic each other in the sense of scale. They appear to be the same width and height. The houses use the same type of materials but also use differing ones. For example, the pink house has a different trimming designs all around the door, but the Hunt Morgan house is a very classic styled home. The white door contrasts with the formation and rust-like color of the bricks that are used as materials for the house. Above the door, there is a window that appears to be kind of like a half circle. There are pieces of wood that stretch across the glass, so when the light shines through the window, there will be a pattern all along the floor of the inside due to the shadow caused by the light. I think this effect will happen more when it's dim outside in the evening. The house scale is very large from the ground, from the tip of the roof in relation to the ground, but the windows seem evenly apart. On the side of the house, there is an entrance to a basement, an invention that wasn't seen that often in the homes when they were being made back in the day, in the 1800s, when this house was built, which was considered a new type of technology when seen back then. This last house seemed very complex. Like the Hunt Morgan house, the crown molding around the outside of the windows contrasts with the color of the brick that was used as a material. Since it was very gloomy outside, the light was not very apparent, so it made the color of the brick seem very dark on the camera when recording. The designers of this house used a lot of materials like glass and crown molding to create all the different shapes and sizes of the windows seen along the outside. The scale from the ground to the top of the house varies because there are different tops of the house because of the fireplaces which are inside. The house also has very skinny and tall windows, which is rare for being a classic home. I would consider it to be a new and innovative design, sort of like a new technology that was used.